Today is the post-mortem of Kalahata. Even Roger saying that who puts blinders on stage? See, you can see show everyone the blinders. These are called blinders. These are supposed to be put for outdoor events and supposed to blind the public so that the videography can be filmed well of the audience.
No stand there.
No stand. Yeah, there's no railings. No railings. That side also there's no proper railing.
इको ना मरे
Which one, that one?
I read the report.
This was
Old board is there. That old board is there. The company has totally stopped.
Model is not being made.
Model is not being made. This is
So
what.
we couldn't have bought it now. They have bought
Yeah,
it now. No, this board is not now. They have bought it for some time.
But they're still using it.
Yeah,
So is it equipped to handle this? That's the main question.
but I'm saying it's not being bought now.
Yeah, that's an old piece.
Existing board. So I'm saying we made a mistake by telling that it's bought now. It's not bought now.
But Minister said they have got the entire.
Everything is new that everything is new.
Everything is new. And like artists are not well equipped or something. Staging. So this was the thickness earlier. This was the thickness earlier. But now they've got an 18 mm plywood. This is plywood under it. And the thickness of the stage is this.
Initially, it was just a plywood.
It was.
Oh my god.
Right. It was earlier wood and wood on top, and the thickness of the wood was much heavier. This is proper ply. You can make out the see this. This is ply.
क्या था स्कैन
अरे एक लाखों डालो काले एक लाखों and that wood if you sell it now in the second hand market also
ते लाकूड किती केले विचारा तुमका दिसला
half of the crores of these
ते आदले लाकूड किती केले
होय आदले लाकूड असते म्हणून गरज आदले लाकूड होई गायले आदले लाकूड ते काढले ते होई
घरा आले
plywood.
फॉल सीलिंग
The top is not big, he's saying it's fine.
No, this is not on top. No,
I understand.
who was the person who was supervising this work?
It is under you, no? Tu anla na. What is the logic of taking out the teak wood and putting plywood?
नाही डब 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 नॉइज आवाज येता म्हणजे नाचता त्यांना त्याच्यावर हो कितेंय करता त्यांना ऍक्ट करता त्यांना त्याचेर येनाले आवाज काय आधी काय आवाज येनालो
So the AC vibration comes where does the sound come? It is right on top.
these are ducts, so the noise comes in through there. Everything else is it's absorbent or it's like soundproof, but all the noise comes in through those ducts, no? And if you see on top, if you look at earlier they had ducts for the old AC system. The old AC ducts are as it is. They haven't removed the old AC ducts.
इरफान कुठे
It was director of arts and culture. तुम्हें पोपा नहीं थे?
And where is that killer light here?
There's all over there. You can see them. Tell them to put it on and show you.
Baba, blinders on kar.
या
Explain the concept of blinders, no?
Yeah, I found it.
एसी बंद हो रहा है एसी बंद हो रहा है चालू करूंगा
लाइट अप द होल एरिया यू नो
These are the 4 ones.
And you also disco light got it.
For big stage shows.
These are those red.
तुका अरे
ये आता normally light जाता है artist का help जाओ
एसी चालू करपा जातली
एसी लाइट चालू करा
These lights are called blinders because they cause so that they can also just it causes temporary blindness in the sense you can only see the light, everything else you can't see. So that's why the light is called blinders. World ला खंयच तुका स्टेजीचेर मेळोंक ना कित्याक वी आर पुट फ्रॉम अ व्हेरी लॉंग डिस्टन्स 40 फूट एसी रे चालू करपाक म्हणून ताका ऑडियन्स लायट डिस्टन्स पयल्या सो लायट
लाईट कन्सोल मातसो ऑन कर.
एसी चालू करून घे.
आणि एसी मातशी चालू करपाक लाय प्रताप लायटी चालू कर मरे.
आता प्रताप
Light on the
चल्ल्यार आवाज येता. बेस्ट चल्ले आवाज येता. हांगा तर केन्ना येनाशिल्लो. थंय धांवत गेल्या पसून केन्ना आवाज येनाशिल्लो. ते हांगा खंयचा मरे आर्ट एंड डायरेक्टर खंय डायरेक्टर.
यो तू कलाकार न्हू यो. आनी हे गांवटा आसता तेका त्रास जाता आर्टिस्ट.
कलाकारान प्रपोज केला म्हणटा मरे कोणा प्लायवूड घाल म्हणून प्रपोज केला.
PWD because of artists were not taken into confidence at all. Absolutely they were kept in the dark. Before, whenever there was renovation work or whatever, artists take committee forms only. Artists were asked for feedback. Did you all take any feedback? Did you all take them into confidence?
तुमकां ताणी दिवना की व्हॉट इज द पर्पज ऑफ द स्टेज. काय जात्रेक घातिल्ल्या भशेन तुमी स्टेज घालून सोडल्या जात्रेक बी.
Staging is done in a particular manner. There are rafters that come underneath. With the Indian classical they dance, certain amount of spring is required in the wood. So you just can't put any plywood, any wood. You need to keep up with the rafters.
Oh, यहाँ तो राजदीप है. सदा एक और
कर्टन्स किती तो मेन कर्टन मदीत शिरकाता है.
There were two inch wings and it was completely ply. It was completely not ply. It was this MDF kind of material inside. This is not just a frame with cloth. Metal. Yeah, just a frame with cloth.
आणि ताकाय ॲक्वॅस्टिक अशी हे आसा. हां मेटल बेगीन आणि कर्टन लाईट्स हे जर आमी भितर हे पडून ते अजून लाईट जरा एसी लगाने लाईट चालू करून घ्या रो. न्यू तो सर न्यू सर
ऑर्डर
न्यू
सर 50 लाखाचं.
बेलगाव में गेला मंगल कार्यालय
अबे वत्त पड्डो. आता कितक्या कोटीचा हा कांयच खबर ना.
जेन्ना आमी नाटक करता पळय तेन्ना हे प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आसता. हे प्लॅटफॉर्म्स अशें उडत व्हरचें पडटा. एक चान्स सुद्दां येयना आनी ताका लागून ताणें आमी कितें केल्लें हांगा पळय हें आशिल्लें पळय न्ही कार्पेट कांयच नाशिल्लें. तुका ओडत व्हरचें पडटा डॅमेज जाता आनी तातूंतल्यान तें व्हरताले. हांगा कार्पेट घालें. इतली जर आमी एक नाटका खातीर जर तें ओडून घाल जायत न्ही गेलें कार्पेट.
डायरेक्टर
परत डायरेक्ट
आर्टिस्टांनी सजेस्ट केलं जाल्यार आर्टिस्ट हे सजेस्ट करपाक शकना
आता हिंगा हे नाटक जाता थंय ओडून वयते I think carpet घाला. First there was no carpet. So did they suggest to put carpet here? But the idea was to drag that, no, originally.
तशें ती रे
Has any idea about drama?
No, who's the acoustics consultant? Who's the name of the acoustics consultant? Because when it was done earlier, there was a Boston firm from Massachusetts who had done the acoustics. They were the acoustic consultant. Who has done the acoustics? It's called acoustic treatment. Acoustic treatment kottano auditorium. ते कोणे केला? Who's the consultant or who's the expert? नाव सांगा.
एसी चालू झाली आवाज येतो.
नाटक करपाक मेळ्ळें
Whatever you Francis on the ground, you cannot put this because sets. You're going to be putting the sets. You're going to put the furniture.
That's what we told
Exactly,
you.
that was the idea.
That was the idea.
And Sargon,
I have a simple
this
question.
was suggested by Kalakar to do it this way.
I have a simple question. Okay, if acoustic was so important, then instead of this was also suggested. This quality was by your acoustic consultant. Because पयलीं जें कितें आशिल्लें तें acoustica खातीर आशिल्लें. Bestच in file.
Cloth.
Okay, the cloth which was there also absorbing sound and कितें तें सगळें आशिल्लें. This whole thing हाज्याकय व्हड जाता.
No, but this
हे
will
सगळी
not-
दोन्ही वाटची पळयली.
in 1 month this will get destroyed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it will get
They are,
एक दोन
experts.
show
They
केले
want it
पळय.
to be destroyed, to retender.
सर एसी चालू झाली आवाज येईल सर
Yo.
एसीचा आवाज
Silence. Please silence.
अरे ओ exhaust. कुठे हाय दिसतंय मरे. नरे
रेल्वे कोचान बशिल्ले
When you put the mics here, stage mics are supposed to be sensitive mics.
They're going
They're supposed to catch.
transmit.
They're going to catch that, no?
That's this noise. The stage mics.
यो या आवाज ऐकला माय हे किती आहे आर्टिस्टांना सांगलाले
बॅकग्राऊंड म्युझिक रे
चाव केल्ले भाशेन
बॅकग्राऊंड म्युझिक रे
who gave the idea of putting this AC thing on top the filtration unit
शोले फिल्म
That is the HU.
so
That is the HU. वो आवाज येता HU तो ना. बट वो आवाज आता HU वयर पळय आहा न्हू.
the main blower.
हिंगा ते कंडेन्सर युनिट आहले तेजे फाटल्यान HU आहा. तेजो आवाज मरे हो.
But is there a lining? Is there an acoustic lining inside those ducts? Because if there's an acoustic lining inside those ducts, you will not have this. You will reduce the noise control.
And hearing the music and the vibration of the
It's not from the.
वो concern है.
Please tell everyone.
yo रे बाबा सुना हुई दे असिस्टेंट किती ही माय ही टेक्नॉलॉजी केसली
अरे तुम्ही सांगले हे ताज महल आमकां BOQ लागना टेंडर लागना बरोबर न्ही तुम्ही सांगले बेस्ट क्वालिटी जाय म्हणून आवाज कसो येत रे BOQचेर उलयनाक तुम्ही सांगले हे ताज महल हाका टेंडर ना हाका कॉस्ट ना वी वॉन्ट द बेस्ट क्वालिटी म्हणून सांगले न्ही आतां तूं BOQचेर कित्याक उलयता तो सांगता आमी आर्टिस्टाक विचारले आर्टिस्टान सजेशन केलें म्हणटा मरे तो जस्ट तुम्ही 3 जाण आसा हांगा from Charles Surya Foundation and तुम्ही 2 जाण expert. Please give your opinion on this AC and sound, please.
So I have shown you a photo of the HU unit that was there outside. Well, this is the HU unit. It's still there. The HU is also still there. It's disconnected. तो युनिट भायर आहा तेका एक रूम बांदलो आहा कित्याक स्पेसिफिक रिजन आहा थिंगा वायब्रेशन थिंगा आवाज कितें जाता जाताले आनी डक्टिंगान मागीर इन्सुलेशन करून ते थिंगा वारें मारताले ते वाऱ्यान कांय आवाज येना कांय येना हेणी वो युनिट आहा तो तोहोच दवरला दॅट रूम हॅज बीन केप्ट लायक दिस ओनली इट हॅज बीन डिस्कनेक्टेड एंड दे हॅव बॉट द HU unit and put it on top of the stage. Two of them, one over here and one over that side. Okay, so there is noise in the hall and there is noise in the stage on top of the stage. So when you put on a mic, if you put on the sensitive good quality mics, not the faltu mics that they have purchased, but if you get a good quality mic and do a drama, that mic is going to catch this noise. So that noise is going to come into the equipment.
But one of the basic rules of air conditioning in an auditorium, is that the air conditioning plant has to be isolated from the theatre. That's the basic rule. So I don't see how, and it was done earlier. Charles Courier designed the air conditioning plant is isolated. See, now,
ब्राइट करे डिम केले हे वो सोबत आता हां
how somebody is going to perform with it?
you can't
I
look
can't perform with it.
The heat also is generated.
Anyway, you just continue.
So that is one of the basic rules I was saying about air conditioning. As far as the AHU and the plant should be isolated from the theatre, and this problem will not face this problem. Now you put the AHU on top of your head only, above you, which is a problem. So we have to ask them for their suggestions how they are going to isolate this noise and stop this noise.
sound can you say on the
And
No, I think that maybe when the Galacticos was built, they were working with much less sophisticated air conditioning, sound systems, everything, and the kind of results that they got was amazing. And that's just because there was a scientific approach to all these kind of things. All this science just seems to be thrown out, and people who are absolutely incompetent have been brought into company. This is very, very sad that we've got such a good infrastructure which has got destroyed through arrogance and unwillingness to take help from people who could have helped. It's an artist community was the best community to be able to give you all the response. If you all didn't want to talk to any of the other technical people, these were the people to talk to, and you didn't talk to them. And that's very, very sad.
The walls which are built, you think that is good for the sound observation?
I think that everything has gone wrong over here. There was an acoustic consultant, I think, over here who probably didn't know his voice.
Now to talk about the speakers on the side.
Green room,
Suggestion. Green room. I know you've been walking all around, but
Kaya kasi urine expose kayo kaya.
So you get avatars perform on a lot of stages, and these bright lights just burn your skin.
they are burning now
Yes, you can feel, and if all are not even put under 21 on one level itself, and this really hurt the skin of the artist. Now there should have been a covering, or there should have been a minder, but still there's an effect where you can see, your foundation and you can do your makeup. But this is like burning the skin right now. I mean, with just this light, you can feel it. Imagine if all the lights, and I can show you.
on for like just 5 minutes, right?
Can I?
They're on for an hour.
You can sit there.
Yeah, baking station.
Yes.
Baking station can
I'll just show you the. 1 second. Can the ladies go in first?
Hey, ladies out.
Mashik, light on Gautam, please.
Button chala.
No, can you come? No one is inside. We need light. Let us off. This is actually also where a lot of women sit and do makeup.
People watch. But still them will what they have.
Okay, darling. I was born Kerala. Tu puri जाने का मैं Next, which is all about technology. And yeah, bulb makeup and
Consumption is expensive.
Not the right bulb. Yuri, privacy is not there. Like, there should be like a proper wall. The people from outside should not be participants inside. And this is in a very shabby condition. We just kept it over here.
and required to do, they have not done. And
They are supposed to be actually covering this and making it. Why you need a window here and then a space?
सर पाइप लाइन
नाही अशें अशें आमी टू सी दी कमेंट नायस कमेंट मीडवाय करता डिसिजन मेकअप बरोबर करात जाल्यार करनाका
Roger? No, I appreciate you coming down early for this event because you were the one in 2003 who had installed this thing.
No, I know this theatre.
भाग आकेश भाग
आता खरं थिएटर सुशेगाद गोंयकार झालो फक्त rocket technology.
but this was proposed first by artists to make it this low. This is common sense, no? The PWD requires to tell the artist about the problem. Such type of thing.
And main curtain.
नाला हे जे तियात्रा टिकेटीचे बरोबर पडले 3 वरां आनी परत एडवर्पा 15 मिनिटां एडिशनल होल सगळा चेंज करपाक
कितें पूण हे आनी चेक तुमी चेक करनासतना ओपन केलें रे ओपन फॉर पब्लीक चेक केन्ना पयलीं पीडब्ल्यूडीन केलें ना ओपन
हँडओव्हर करूंक ना
अजून करूं ना
तेंच्यांनी डिसायड केलें आर्ट एंड कल्चरान की आमी करतले आनी कित्याक ताका नाटक करपाक जाय आसलें सो
शिरकालो रे
तेंच्यांनी फटाफट केलें
पीडब्ल्यूडी हॅज नॉट हँडेड ओवर अजून पर्यंत काम कंप्लीट केलं
हँडओव्हर करूंक ना ते कला अकादमी म्हणटा आमचे कडेन ना ते खंय काय फूल बुकींग करपाक
लाईट घालता मरे
तर तुमच्या समोर
ही तांची वर्किंग लाईट असते टेम्पररी ओपन करून ते चालू करून लाईट ओपन ना तो डेटाच मरे ऑलरेडी तो फोटो देखता लाईट तेच पळय न्ही तेच पळय म्हाका पयलीं ती बेश्टी वर्किंग लाईट दॅट्स व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग द सेटिंग ऑफ द बार इज कंप्लीटली That is the main aspect. Because then when you see this is called a music pit. So only when it's a musical performance is used. Otherwise, theatre or natak, the artist will go right up there. So the lighting comes from there.
Now if you see over there, there was an entire section which was open and there was a gallery behind it from which you can adjust the lights and put it onto the artist. That section they have just sealed it.
What is the reason?
They don't know.
Lighting
Now this is practically impossible to access that.
Earlier we used to walk there and adjust. Walk and adjust करताले. म्हणजे आता adjust करताले. Adjust
Just now me and Roger went to climb up. We are all dirty from that. There is no access to it.
ती आयडिया कोणाक दिली करूंक?
Even Madgaon भी तसेच असा. Madgaon is not able to light up any artist on the face. How will we give face lighting? Not possible. Any lights that are up here will not give you face lighting. It has to come from there only.
So we'll ask him, is the light? What is the secret of that?
They'll have to make an additional gallery or something. Not additional.
डार्क माय पयली कलाकारा प्रोटेक्ट कोणा इंटरेस्ट दिले तुम्ही पयले डिपार्टमेंटाचे द पर्सन वॉज परफॉर्मिंग
कॅटवॉक हा ब्लॉक झाला फ्रॉम द टाइम नोव्हेंबर ऑडिटोरियम तुम्ही ओपन केला तेन्ना सावन एकूय लायट केन्ना खंयच्या फंक्शनाक वापरले तुम्ही आणि तुम्ही काय टाकलं मागीर जागो खंय उरला किंवा कितें मनोवर
नॉट कम्फर्टेबल चलपाक जायना यू टू बँड आनी
आम्ही पावंकूच ना मरे वयर आम्ही ट्राय केला पळय बुरशे झाले
बेसिकली आर्टिस्ट टू बँड
आय थिंक ऊस पेट्रोल मागीर कितको एसको वयतले पायप घेवन ऊस लागला एक कोतले रे
करची पडटले
you have to do something about it.
That is very
Start working now. You have not worked all this time.
come go to दोनों घर मध्ये
पिक्चर काढा रे
असं अंगावर अरे रेंज ना भितर रेंज मिळणार आहे अंगात घेऊया सर 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 इधर माता लीकेज है सर वो लीकेज है सर लीकेज है वो नेटवर्क इशू है